Hey, how you doing? It's Gio Gionta here, and in this short video, I basically want to talk to you about some marketing training that I put together for you guys. And just what it is it basically goes over a variety of different, marketing techniques and strategies that I've learned over the years in marketing. And now I just want to show you some results. And this is kind of for people who are just getting started, or they want more free traffic before they use the paid methods. Now, I go over both in the training that you're going to get, but I just want to show you some results, and this is from just YouTube traffic. And the YouTube traffic is your free, it's one of your free traffic strategies, and it's a very, very, very important strategy to be using, because YouTube is the top search engine, the second top search engine, and you want to be using YouTube because you want to be informing other people of how to do stuff. You want to be showing them results. You want to be sharing your experience throughout your journey in marketing. So I basically want to show you my results. Now, I'm in YouTube right now, and I'm not logged in to my YouTube channel, so these are regular results that I'm having right now. This is a video that I posted, as you can see right here, 5 hours ago, and out of 55,500 results, it's at the top of YouTube already, and I just posted it 5 hours ago, right? So, and I'm using YouTube and videos like this to get traffic, to get people who are interested in learning how to market online. So YouTube is a very, very, very powerful source of traffic for me, and it's a free method because it doesn't cost you anything to make videos. Now, you could make videos and you could learn how to get your videos, at the top of YouTube and also in Google. And I'm going to show you that in a second. And this is what I'm doing for my free traffic. So this is only one search term. It's under MLM Coach, and as you can see, I posted this 5 hours ago. I have I have views already to this video. It says 193, but really I have 1,193 views. If you click on this video, you'll see it. It's been up for 5 hours, and already I'm getting views on it. And this is really because my videos, they rank. They go to the top of the search engines, which are very important. I've been building my YouTube channel for a while now, and in SEO, which is search engine optimization, is very important because you want your videos to show up in the search engines, so that could be a method of traffic for you. Now, as you can see right here, I have a video that I did on 9/13/2017, and that is also at the top of the page. Here's somebody's channel that they had, because a channel could also rank. So if you put your videos inside of a playlist, and the playlist is ranking, all your videos within that playlist, they will be seen as well. So really, this video right here, the only video that's above this is this one right here. But I have a video right here, and I have the video that I just posted at the top of the search results for this. I just want to, I wanted to show you that I'm getting results for this search term. Now, I'm doing this totally random right now, so I don't know what the results are going to be. But I could pretty much bet that if I type in any term that's related to marketing, you're going to see one of my videos. So how about network marketing coach? Okay, so I'm going to type in that. Whoa. Okay, so network marketing coach. Here's my video again. It's number 3, and I just posted this 5 hours ago, and then I have this one. Okay, and so, okay, how about network marketing training tips? Okay, so we'll type in type in this to see what comes out. Tips. Okay, and here's the video right here. It's not fully to the top yet, but it's on its way, and I just posted that. Okay, now how about this one? Okay, MLM lead generation, because that's a big one. Well, people want to know how to generate leads. Okay, I have a video here, and let's see, video here, and a video here. So I have 3 videos on this page, you know, that I can see right now. Okay. How about network marketing tips right here? Tips. Let's see. I don't have anything for network marketing tips that I can see yet, but there will be. Okay, so I have a video for network marketing motivation. So it comes up, and that's on its way. I just posted that. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I have a video right there too. So, and I posted that video a week ago. So, you know, my videos, they do rank in the top of the search engines, and I'm gonna go over to Google so you could see. This video is also, I typed in MLM coach in Google, and as you can see, there's 99,900 results, and as you can see, it's number 2. So if people go and they look in the videos in Google, which a lot of people do, you know, they're gonna find my results, they're gonna find my videos. Is why I say this really is because okay, now my video jumped. You know, it's new, but it's still at the top though. But it is why I say this pretty much is because in my training is where I show people the free methods that I use, the marketing system that I use. I show people exactly how to get paid in free methods, and I also help people to work on their mindset with some you know, mindset. And I tell people that mindset is very important. So not only are you going to learn you know tactics, in that you're going to also learn how to prepare yourself to earn online. So the reason why I'm shooting this video is I wanted to show you, just with the free methods alone, you know, how you could get started. Let's say you've never done this before, so you want to get started and you want free traffic until you could build up a list and build up some people to start doing paid advertising, right? And you always want to be doing both. You always want to be doing video, and you always want to be doing paid advertising as well. But I just wanted to show you this so that way you can, you so that way you could go and you could get this training that I have for you. And now is all you have to do to get this training is click on the link below this video, and there will be a link to the training so you can get it for free. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to go to the page, you want to put in your email, and I'm going to send you over that training to your email as soon as you put in your email. So I wanted to give you that information, and I'll look forward to hearing from you, and feel free to contact me on Facebook as well. Alright, I'll talk to you soon, and I appreciate you for watching. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Alright, I'll talk to you soon, and bye for now.